Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
It is 6:25. And Xander's already pulling the balancer. Xander's first balancer pull. Yay!
Yay.
Yay. Yeah, don't sound too excited. Jesus. It's not as nice today as it was yesterday.
No.
But there you go. So that's going to come off. On the rubber on that's for cock, so we definitely need a balancer pulley. Fun. So he's going to get that off, and then he's going to have fun getting the sleeve off, which sometimes they move easy. Oh, kind of moved easy. So there's that. And then the timing cover, well, we're actually going to pull the timing cover first before we pull the oil pan, which is usually backwards. But we really want to see the condition of this timing set first. I also noticed, while Xander's doing that, some of these springs are a little offset. But these heads are coming off in a minute anyway. So we have that to contend with. Coming up here. Back to Xander in action. Xander in action! It's like a movie with stunts, but it's gonna be not as good as the trailer. Like the Bike Riders. That movie was not as good as the trailer hyped it up to be. I was disappointed. Because I really like, what's his name? The guy that was Elvis. Can't remember his freaking name. Anyway. He was also in on Apple TV. Or some airplane thing. I can't remember the name of either right now because it's early. But that was good. Anyway, I'm rambling. Xander got that off. So, alright, now you just switch this to loosen, pull that out. Don't lose this woodroof key, which we'll deal with that later. It's actually stuck in there, which is good. Yeah, just bring that baby out. Easy peasy, dude. Alright, we got our crank spacer off. That's definitely coked up on the inside. Alright, so next step, Xander's gonna pull this here timing cover. What you got, sir?
Well, I got the timing cover off.
Ooh. Oh. It is one of the plastic gears. It's amazingly not shattered, which is unusual.
Bobby,
Just
your
get-
truck is on the way. Somebody coming in.
Okay, I'm shooting a video. They can wait. That's definitely tired.
Yeah.
Fun. All right. Well, obviously need a timing set.